Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's summer, and we all want that natural, radiant glow, right? Well, today, I'm spilling the beans on the best foods you can eat to get that glowing skin you've always wanted. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have the ultimate grocery list for flawless skin. Let's get started. Upbeat music plays as the camera zooms in on the people. Segment 1. Hydrating fruits. Watermelon, berries, citrus fruits, and pineapple on the counter. First up, let's talk hydration. In the scorching summer heat, keeping your skin hydrated is crucial. And what better way to do that than with some juicy, delicious fruits? Person picks up a watermelon slice. Watermelon is a summer must-have. It's 92% water, helping to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A and C. Did you know vitamin A helps repair skin cells, while vitamin C boosts collagen production? Double win. Gestures to a bowl of mixed berries. Next, we've got berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. These little gems are antioxidant powerhouses. They help fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause skin damage and aging. Person holds up an orange. And don't forget citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, they're bursting with vitamin C, which is fantastic for brightening your skin and reducing sun damage. Slices of pineapple. Lastly, pineapple. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and swelling, giving you that clear, even-toned skin. Segment 2. Nourishing vegetables. Cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, and leafy greens. Moving on to veggies, which are just as important for that summer glow. Person holds up a cucumber. Cucumbers are super hydrating and rich in vitamin K, which helps reduce puffiness and dark circles. Perfect for those late summer nights. Person picks up a tomato. Tomatoes are your skin's best friend in the sun. They're loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your skin from UV damage. Eating tomatoes can actually give you a bit of natural sun protection. Person grabs a carrot. And don't forget carrots. They're high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, promoting healthy skin cell turnover and a natural glow. Person gestures to a plate of leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help detoxify your body, leaving your skin clear and radiant. Segment 3. Skin-boosting nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds. Now let's get into some skin-boosting snacks. Nuts and seeds. Person holds a handful of almonds. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from sun damage and keeps it moisturized. Picks up a walnut. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, both of which help maintain your skin's moisture barrier and keep it supple. Person holds up sunflower seeds. And sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin E and selenium, crucial for protecting your skin from environmental damage and keeping it youthful. Segment 4. Protein and hydration. Fatty fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, coconut water, green tea, and aloe vera juice. For protein, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep your skin moisturized and reduce inflammation. Cracks an egg. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, essential for skin health. Plus, they're super versatile in the kitchen. Holds up a bowl of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only delicious, but also contains probiotics that help maintain a healthy gut and, in turn, healthy skin. Pours coconut water into a glass. Staying hydrated is key, and coconut water is full of natural electrolytes that keep you refreshed and your skin hydrated. Holds a cup of green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which can improve skin health and reduce redness. Standing in the kitchen with a bright smile. So there you have it, a delicious and nutritious way to get that glowing skin this summer. Remember, beautiful skin starts from within, so make sure to include these foods in your diet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more great tips.